8 foods that cleanse the arteries. Do you know that cardiovascular diseases are at the top of the list of the most common illnesses worldwide? Today, we will be talking about atherosclerosis, a dangerous disease which is mostly seen in the elderly. Atherosclerosis is a condition when cholesterol and greasy residues stick to the interior walls of the arteries, which causes clogging and hardening. Atherosclerosis can occur in any part of the body, and it causes oxygen deprivation for that organ. Now, let's take a look at the underlying causes of this condition. What causes atherosclerosis? Arteries are lined by a thin layer of cells called the endothelium. When the bad cholesterol or LDL gets in contact with damaged endothelium, it penetrates into the walls of the arteries and turns into plaque on and in the walls. Plaque eventually builds up more and more, which can lead to a complete blockage. Common causes include obesity, smoking, high cholesterol, diabetes, sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy and irregular dietary habits, hypertension, genetic factors, high LDL and low HDL levels in blood, stress. How do we protect ourselves? 1. Drink lots of water. Being dehydrated causes the blood to thicken and increases the risk of blood clot formation. They advise you to drink adequate amounts of water during the day. You can check your urine color to tell if you are drinking enough water. If its color is light yellow or clear, this means you are drinking enough water. If it has a darker yellow color, this means you are dehydrated and you need to drink more water. 2. Avoid unhealthy fats. Unhealthy trans fats, greasy and salty snacks, food with high fat content may cause your artery walls to accumulate plaque. Avoiding these kinds of foods lowers the risk significantly. 3. Eliminate risk factors. One of the biggest risk factors is obviously smoking tobacco products. Besides, being overweight poses a problem. Diabetic patients should be extra mindful and keep their blood sugar checked regularly. 8 miracle foods to cleanse your arteries. 1. Garlic. Thanks to its allicin and ajoin content, garlic can reduce the stickiness of the blood clot, preventing a life-threatening clot formation. Thus, garlic fights the clot buildup in arteries and lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Many studies have proven garlic's ability to reduce blood clots. Eating raw garlic or taking garlic supplements can help you preserve your health of your heart and arteries. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine for its blood-diluting properties. Curcumin, the active compound of turmeric, can prevent plaque formation in arteries and coagulation of the blood cells. Turmeric is exceptionally efficient at unclogging the arteries in the heart. It cleanses and prevents the hardening of the arteries. Moreover, thanks to its powerful and antioxidant properties, turmeric lowers the LDL, the bad cholesterol level. You can sprinkle turmeric on your food or prepare a nice cup of turmeric tea. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries contain essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Getting the sufficient daily amount of these minerals keeps the blood pressure in a healthy level. Blueberries are also rich with fibers, vitamin C, and B6. Thanks to these properties, blueberries prevent the accumulation of blood platelets, which leads to the formation of clotting and plaque. Hence, it fights coronary artery spasms and atherosclerosis. 4. Epimedium. Mainly known by its aphrodisiac properties, Epimedium is also capable of treating the symptoms of atherosclerosis. Taking Epimedium can lower the risk of coronary diseases and prevent atherosclerosis. You can take supplements of this plant or drink Epimedium tea. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts contain an essential amino acid called L-arginine. This amino acid turns into nitric oxide in major arteries. It relaxes the inner muscles of your blood vessels, causing the vessels to widen. Therefore, walnuts should always be in your shopping list to keep your arteries healthy. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil contains a type of antioxidant named phenol. Phenol prevents the blood platelets to accumulate. Research indicates that regular consumption of olive oil reduces the risk of getting a cardiovascular disease by 50%. 7. Almonds. Thanks to their single unsaturated fat, fiber, and antioxidant content, almonds are known to be an artery-friendly food. Almonds cleanse the path of blood throughout the circulatory system. Besides, they are good for heart health. 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon regulates the blood sugar with its antioxidant content. By this way, it clears the arteries connected to the heart and helps prevent atherosclerosis. Researchers indicate that eating 1 teaspoon of cinnamon a day lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases by 26%.